Hello friends, day 72 today, and I left the bothy this morning and said goodbye to Andrew and Robyn, who I'd been sharing it with, and set off for Kinlochewe. And then a couple of hours later, much to my surprise, I heard a little shout from behind me, and there was Robyn, and she'd caught me up, and so I had the pleasure of her company again today, and we made it to Kinlochewe early evening. And I was rather hoping to get a bed at the hotel, but they were full and they wouldn't even give us dinner. But this turned out to be a good thing because we had a really nice meal at the pizza place round the corner. And I'm on a campsite tonight and we'll be setting off into the wilderness tomorrow. When I say the wilderness, it's difficult to understand unless you've been up here what it's really like. So today was the first day for 3 days that I've seen a road or a house. Nothing. And when I set off from here, it's about 100 miles to the next habitation and 170 miles to the next shop. That really is wilderness. So see you on the trail.